Hello my beautiful people, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. In case you're new, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist, and today I'll show you a lot of tips and tricks on how to style your extensions and make hairstyles with them. I love so much wearing extensions, but make them look like my hair. So I will teach you today how to do that.
If you have darker roots and your extensions are lighter, like my blonde ones, make sure to use a gray coverage spray or a darker for brunettes dry shampoo and apply it to the roots like I'm showing, and you're good to go. To reduce your time applying your hair extensions, make sure to apply one on top each other. I'm not a fan of teasing my hair, but if your hair is fine, you definitely need this for a better grip. Make sure to make a diagonal parting, so this way your hair extensions will blend with your layers and it will look more natural. Make sure to curl or straighten your hair with your extensions on, and then you want to brush it. This way it will look much more natural than styling it apart. If you have the same problem underneath this hair sticking out and it looks a little bit different than your extensions, make sure to gather them, make a mini ponytail, a very tiny bun, or you can braid it before securing it and then apply your hair extensions on. Your half-up braid is thin, make sure to use a 3-clip weft, fold it and clip it, and leave only the middle clip and attach it to your hair before making your braid. And voila, look at the difference. Now, if you apply your extensions on the top and you can see them like I do here, make sure to make a thicker tease at the roots before smoothing it out. If you have this problem, like you have short hair, the strand longer is on other side, make sure to incorporate it from opposite strand and continue your braid. You can use a clear elastic to secure it or tease it for a more boho vibe. To hide your elastic, you want to use a 1-clipped weft, clip it underneath and then wrap it around the ponytail and pin it in place to secure it. And ta-da! So beautiful and easy, right? You can apply 4 wefts together. I have here 2 4-clip wefts and 2 3-clips weft. This makes half updo step so effortless and easy. Then if you want to make a thicker bun, you can make the ponytail and then apply your weft around the ponytail before making your bun. Thin ponytail, thin braid, small bun. Yes, I know this problem. If you don't want your clip-ins to see, make sure to apply them on your ear level so you don't need after this any teasing at all. And then style your hair, make a ponytail or a topsy tail. A regular braid, you can make with this braid now a low bun, and nobody will notice that you have extensions. And by the way, this is so quick because I clipped 2 clip wefts, one on each other, so overall process is very easy. Okay, but now how to make a braid beginning from our top? Very simple. You divide your hair into 2 equal sections and clip on one side 3 clip weft and on other 4 clips weft. But if you have 4 clips weft, even better because it will look even longer and thicker, so it will fall so naturally when braiding. I decided to make here a Dutch braid, but you can make any type of braid that you like and it's easier for you. Make sure to tie the end with a clear elastic, pull a little bit to make it voluminous, and ta-da! Look at this beauty! How about braided pigtails? Oh, that's harder one. Make sure to make your parting and now you want to make another parallel parting and clip your weft, but differently. This time you can see this is like away from our face. And you want to begin your braiding. And actually, what I love the most about this technique of applying your clip-ins is basically that it falls naturally and is thinner at the bottom, so looks very natural. And of course you want to repeat on the other side, clip your 3 clip or 4 clip weft and make your second braid. Now, very interesting thing. You grab your sponge bun and your 3 or 4 clips left, and or 2, and wrap it around the sponge to cover it. Now you want to make a high or a low ponytail and bring the ponytail through the bun and spread your hair all around it. Make sure to hide it and pin it in place. Amazing, right?
I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up, subscribe of course too, so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial here on Awesome Hairstyles channel. And by the way guys, these tips and tricks are just minimum of what I know. So if you want more tips and tricks, let me know in comments down below. So I'll make sure to make part 2 of hair extensions tips and tricks. Guys, if you want to see more hairstyles, make sure to check out my previous hair tutorials right here. Also, if you'd like to see anything else on my channel, let me know in comments down below. This inspires me so much. But that's it for today, and you know I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.